Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shrikant Saradagi, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Basaveshwar Arts College, Bagalkot. Today, I am going to deal with short story. Short story is one among the literary forms. It is a prose fiction narrative. Before going to deal with short story, let me make it clear myself about difference between the short stories and fables. As you have in your childhood days, you might have heard of Panchatantra and Aesopa stories. They are quite different from short story, as they are unique in their features. As fables are mainly they convey certain morals at the end of the story, and even in the moral stories or fables, characters are actually animals. But in short story, it is completely different from the fables or any moral stories. Let me give the definition of the short story. Short story is a brief work of prose fiction, and most of the terms for analyzing the component elements, the types and the narrative techniques of the novel are applicable to the short story as well. Here, I just wanted to make a contrast between the short story and a novel. Novel is another literary prose fiction, and short story, it is shorter than the novel. And here, short story, it is a brief work of prose fiction. Fiction is anything but which is not real, based on completely fictitious. It is a fictitious, based on fictitious elements, and it is far away from the reality. Somewhere you find some realistic things, but there will be a less emphasis on reality. And most of the terms for analyzing the component elements and the types and the narrative techniques of the novel are applicable to the short story as well. They use the technique as well, narrative techniques. What we have used in novel, they can be used as a short story as well. In simple words, I can say brief fictional force. It is narrative that is shorter than a novel and that usually deals with only few characters. See, it is a fiction. It is a short narrative. It is a short narrative, deals with only few characters, not more than any, we usually find not more than 4 characters, not more than more than 5 characters, as we compare to novel. Novel, we find so many characters and a complex plot. One more feature of the novel is that a complex plot. The plot is nothing but in novel we find novel plot within a plot, but in short story it is completely simple plot. I mean, what I can say, it is constructed with a single plot as well. Short story is usually concerned with a single effect conveyed in only one or few significant episodes or scenes. There will be more than 2 plots or complex plot as we find in novel. In short story, we find only one episode of the story ends in an episode or single scene. The form encourages economy of setting, concise narrative, and the omission of complex plot. As I said, it omits complex plot. To explain, short story it is different from, as I said, it is different from the novel. And one more thing I have to tell: anecdote. Anecdote is nothing but it is just like narration of an incident, but it is not longer than the short story. And short story, it organizes action, thought, and develops of its characters into the thoughtful pattern of a plot. As it is similar to the novel, as I said, it is constructed as per the novel, but in short length. The plot may be comic, tragic, romantic, or satiric. This nature of the plot, it may be a comic or tragic or romantic and even satiric. The story it is presented to us from many available points of view. It may be more of fantasy, realism, and naturalism. But we can say it is completely fictitious work, but it is less emphasis. It makes a less emphasis on realism. To deal with the features, what short story is? It possesses certain features, unique features. It is short, concise narrative. As I said, it is a very short in length. It is concerned with a single effect conveyed in only one or few significant episodes or scenes. We have already seen in the definition itself. Only single episodes or single scenes will be there. Single scene will be there. Relatively limited scope, with having an ability to provide complete or satisfying treatment of its character. The scope is very limited. certain to say novel or certain epics, the scope is very wide, but in short story, that will not be. And in short story, the focus of interest is primarily on the course and outcome of the events. For example, I have given the example of EFO is the Gold Book and other types of reduction of O. Henry. And I just wanted to mention Edgar Allan Poe as because he is is one among the important short story writer. We'll be dealing with later. To be continued. Yeah. It's a few more features of the short stories. It differs from the novel in the dimension that Aristotle called magnitude. Let me get back into the Aristotle's theory of a tragedy. There he mentions about the magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but it is an extension or a length. There he says tragedy must be of at least 2 to 3 hours, the length of tragedy. So as here also we can, it is a short length story. The story having only short length, the magnitude. It is shorter than the novel and slightly longer than the fable in its length. As I said earlier, it is shorter than novel and then it is quite longer than the fable, the moral story. In this context, E.A. Poe, as I mentioned earlier, he gave this theory of how the setting must be. He says any short story must be or any poem must be finished within a single sitting. That is what we call magnitude. The writer introduces a limited number of persons cannot afford the space for leisurely analysis and sustained development of character. Here we come across only few characters and then there will be no complexity analysis of each individual character. The writer cannot develop dense or detailed social value. The writer is not going to interested in giving a detailed analysis of a character or detailed analysis of a social environment that the characters live in. And next, here, Edgar Allan Poe, he was an American writer. He gave his own views on short story. He called the originator of the short story as an established genre. So hence I took his name. He defined what he called the prose tale as a narrative which can be read at one sitting from half of an hour to 2 hours, and it is limited to certain unique or single effect to which every detail is subordinate. As I said earlier, he says in his theory the short story must be finished within a single sitting. It must not be longer than the novel, and then it must not take more than 2 hours. It must be finished within 1 hour or 2 hours. To say a few examples, to give a few examples on short stories, so many writers make their efforts in writing short stories in English literature. The first and foremost, E.A. Poe, who is regarded as the originator of a short story, is the famous short story, The Telltale Heart. It's a collection of short stories. The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. It is regarding the feministic point of view. Nathaniel Hawthorne's Twice Told Tales, The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde, An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan, Interpreters of Maldives by Jhumpa Lahiri. Last two are the, as we are well aware of, R.K. Narayan and then Jhumpa Lahiri, Indian short story writers. So, for detailed structure and its content and how short story has been organized, to understand all these things better, you refer these short stories. I can make the mention better you read The Telltale Heart by E.A. Poe and then Yellow Wallpaper, as it is it has been written in the point of view of feministic aspects. So to conclude my lesson, a short story presents one aspect of life of a character. It could be an incident. Short story it is of one person. Circulates around one person, and it could be an incident or an event or a description of a feeling or even a simple act. As I said, it will be finished within only constructed within a single episode. A short story can also impact reader and even inspire them. Certain short stories they provide a way of life. Certain short stories they lay certain impacts on the human's individual life. They can motivate them. They can inspire them in certain ways. Moreover, in short story, the characters also share their innermost thoughts, their motives, their feelings, their emotions, and different notions. So I can conclude that all these short stories that have been written by the author's point of view, they also apply to the even to all the individuals' life as well. As I said earlier, I have given certain examples over there. They apply even, they motivate you, they can inspire you, and even sometimes they provide you certain details of or certain way of life. So this is all about the literary forms, a short story, a prose narrative fiction. Thank you.